Aasalamualikum and welcome to our channel. Here's a quick tip. Try to think in English throughout your day-to-day activities. By training your brain to think in English, you will find it much easier to start speaking in English fluently like a native English speaker without having words to translate them in your head. So start immersing yourself in the English language and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Try to think in English. Whenever you are going about your daily routines, try to think in English about what you are doing, seeing, or even feeling. Try to think about them in English. For example, if you are cooking, try to think about the ingredients and the steps in English language. If you are going for a walk, try to think in English what you are seeing. By doing this, you will train your brain to start thinking in English, and this will enable you to speak in English fluently. If you get into thinking in English, I am sure that you earn the fluency in English and saves your time much more because you're not going to have to waste your time translating the words in your head, which is a lot of wasted time. Instead, try to think in English properly the way I showed you in this video. Additionally, try to surround yourself by English language as much as possible. Watch English movies or TV shows, listen to the music, or even if you can, try to speak with a native English speaker. With consistent practice and immersion in English, you will see a significant improvement in your fluency in English. Okay guys, thank you for your being with me till the end of the video. If you know this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel right now. Let me know in the comment section below if you know any other tip that can literally help us become fluent in English much easily. Try to put it down in the comment section below. I will be there to have a look to it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.